Guys, we're in the rain again. We got Trevor, Anthony, Joe, and myself, and we are gonna play on the rocks. My edit is bugs. I hate bugs. It's the story of our lives this weekend. The bugs.
A little AC/DC thunderstorm.
Yeah.
You just
Thunderstorm. Yes, it is thundering. It's off in the distance. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect. And we're pushing on. Peace. Hey guys, so here we are back at Bolton Valley.
Are you live? Go live.
No, I'm not live, dude. I don't have the Wi-Fi. It's downpouring right now. Like full on downpouring.
Yeah, we're not going that. We're going down.
Look at the ground.
We're gonna hit it.
I told you, man. I'd have you video.
No, we're going down.
All right, guys. 48-hour challenge in the rain. Look at the torrential downpour. For you people that wheeled with us, this was not a river. You know, this was a road. And now it's a river. River. Look at that. It's like every ridge you see is just water pouring down it. Wow. We are all thoroughly friggin' soaked at this point. Look at this, guys. Check this out. There's a video of this dry. Here we go. Nice and wet. Alright, peace guys. My phone is soaked. Put the Samsung S7, whatever it is, to the test.